to a spacious living and dining area. And one single platform parallel to each other. You can easily place your king-size bed along with the... Welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we'll do the sample flat tour of the residential project Runwal Garden City by Runwal Group. As you can see, I'm standing at the actual location of the project. This is the whole township, which is right bang on Kalyan Shilfata Road. We will get into all the details of this project, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. Talking about the location and amenities, this project is located in Manpara, bang on Kalyan Shilfata Road, that is right in front of the project. Talking about the project overview, this project will be spread across the land parcel of 250 plus acres. Towers will be developed phase-wise. As you can see behind me, some phases are already developed and some phases are getting developed. These towers will have 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 4.5 BHK duplex and 6 BHK duplex residences. Talking about the amenities, this project has 250 plus amenities. As you can see, this is the central garden and this project has 34 plus gardens with half Olympic size swimming pool, gym, 65,000 plus square feet clubhouse, kids play area and many more. You name any amenity and that is within the township. About the connectivity, Dombivli railway station is only 15 minutes away from the project, metro station is only 100 meters, upcoming bullet train station is only 2 kilometers from the project, D-Mart is only 500 meters away and our mall is within the township. So now we are standing outside the 3.5 BHK, that is 3 BHK with a servant room of Runwal Park View at Runwal Garden City. This 3.5 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 1254 square feet. Let's begin with the sample flat video and see what the builder has provided. As we enter, you will get this spacious corner and over here you can customize your shoe closet. Right in front of the entry, we have entrance to our guest bedroom. The guest bedroom is separate from the whole flat that gives you full privacy. This guest bedroom is very spacious. You can place your queen or king size bed along with the side table. In this guest bedroom, you will get half French windows with a glass facade to ensure your safety and give you a great view of your neighborhood. This is the wardrobe space that is provided in this guest bedroom. This guest bedroom also comes with an attached washroom that comes with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Moving forward to a spacious living and dining area, this living area is very spacious where you can place your sofas, your center table and customize your TV unit on this wall. This living area also comes with full French windows and a balcony. As you can see, this balcony is very spacious. You can easily place your tea table, tea chairs or a small couch to enjoy tea time with your family. Moving forward, this is the dining corner where you can easily place a 6 to 8 people dining table and enjoy meals with your family. Right over here, we have a kitchen where you will get a L-shaped platform and one single platform parallel to each other. This kitchen is very spacious and right beside this platform you get space to place your refrigerator. This kitchen comes with a dryer balcony And one of the best part of this apartment is that the dryer balcony is connected to the servant room. This is the point 5 area or the servant room. The servant room has a separate exit that gives you full privacy. As you can see, this is the floor lobby, this is the servant room entry, and over there was our entry to our 3 BHK. So as I said, the servant room entry is different from a main entry that gives you full privacy, and the servant room is connected to a 3 BHK with the dryer balcony provided along with the kitchen. Moving forward to our first bedroom. Before moving to our first bedroom, let me show you a common washroom that comes with anti-skid tiles with all the high-end wall fittings. Over here is a first bedroom that is very spacious. You can easily place your king or queen size bed along with the side tables. This bedroom also comes with half French windows and a glass facade to ensure your safety and give you a beautiful view of the neighborhood. Over here, you can place and customize your wardrobe. On this wall, you can customize your makeup corner, study table or whatever you want. You also get a window over here that also gives you a great view. Before moving forward, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project. And then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Now, moving to our master bedroom. As we enter, you can see this master bedroom is very spacious. You can easily place your king size bed along with the side table. Over here, you get a window from where you can see the balcony of your living room. Over here, you get half French windows with a glass facade to ensure your safety and give you a great view of your neighborhood. In this corner, you can customize your study table. Here you can customize your TV unit and place drawers. In this corner, you can easily customize your makeup corner, and the best part about this master bedroom of this 3 BHK is that it has a walk-in closet that you can totally customize as per your choice, and the attached washroom to this master bedroom is very spacious. It comes with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. So this was the 3.5 BHK tour or the 3 BHK with servant room tour of our project. If you like this project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Before going, I would like to ask you one question. Have you ever purchased a home at Runwal? If yes, then how was your experience? Do let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat videos.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.